Very, very well, girls.
Oh yes. Well done, girls.
Yes, mate, back in alright.
This Guernsey Road coming around again now, 1, 2, 3.
Coming on in, go to Suze. From Twin Waters, Karina Lee. And in second place with an overall time of 12 minutes 52 seconds from Burleigh Heads, Queensland, Danielle D. Francesco. And our 2013 Eyeline 1000 Noosa champion with a time of 12 minutes and 47 seconds from Wajula, Queensland, Chelsea Gubeka. What a great performance from the girls. Our top three in the Eyeline 1000 Noosa swim. Very prestigious event.
Thank you. This is my second year in a row and I'm just so happy to win it. I love Noosa Beach and I just love the atmosphere here.
In fifth place went to Phoebe Hines. I have to mention that's a Mooloolaba Makos. Serge will kill me if I don't. Fourth place, Bronte Barrett, the dual Olympian. Third place to Karina Lee. Second, in a very second place there went to Danielle D. Francesco. And our race winner came back from last year's win to double back up again this year, Chelsea Gubeka. So we've had a chat to you on the finish line, but whole year it's been a big thing for you, hasn't it? Last year you came out and won it. And then to do what you've done, going on and winning the Australian 10K title, going to the Worlds, coming back and winning again, did you ever expect that was going to happen?
Not really. Barry Kine, my coach, has really trained me really well for this past year. So it's been a very eventful year for me. And yeah, hopefully more World Championships and hopefully Olympics soon to come.
And our female under-13 champion, a great time, 14:27, was Chloe Gubeka. I tell you what, they got good blood, these Gubekas. And our female 13 to 15-year-old champion from Budrum, 14:21 overall time, Michaela Bird.
Brocker Redwood, and from Bray Park, a time of 13:19, our race winner goes to Matthew Avery.